17 साल बाद पाकिस्तान में इंग्लैंड की टीम आई और पाकिस्तान को टेस्ट सीरीज में शिकस्त दे दी। इस पर पाकिस्तान और इंग्लैंड के शائक़ीन क्या राय रखते हैं, आइए उन्हीं की ज़बानी जानते हैं।
It's very good wins, two of them, and it's different to our last tour abroad, which was the Caribbean, and we did badly. So something has changed with Ben Stokes arriving and new management.
Pakistan is a wonderful country to come to, absolutely enjoying it, and even better when we beat you at cricket.
That's the way we're going to play, and let's hope we continue playing like that and winning games. We'll lose a few, but we'll win more than we'll lose.
It's great that we've won 2-0, or we are winning 2-0. It may be 2-1, maybe 3-0. As far as Pakistan is concerned, I've enjoyed myself.
England played really well, although Pakistan, for a little while yesterday, it was touch and go. We thought, a little bit, but it's good. And it's a good game, and always nice to see England win, right?
Obviously, we came for the cricket, and it is a good experience, winning 2-0 so far. But it's not just about the cricket, it's about the country and the people, and we've had a fantastic time.
Pakistan had chances in the last game to win it, didn't take it, we took it. I think we've shocked Pakistan with our tactics, our approach, our mental approach. Also, Pakistan have been very unlucky with injuries. Shine Afridi, Nazim Shah, Azhar Ali. So, we're really pleased. But the country is what we've loved more. It's been brilliant.
But for the cricket, if you come on tour, it's always good. If you win on tour, it's fantastic. And I think we had two good sides playing two good test matches, and we had, maybe the best result for us, but it was fantastic cricket on both sides.
But Jimmy Anderson, he's always very consistent and he's very accurate, and that's, I think, the batsmen have very few options of what shots to play with Anderson. He just ties them down and then eventually he entices them into something, and that's how he picks up his wickets. He's been a great player for us. We've been very lucky to have him, and he's had such a long career.
It's been very good. The people have been incredibly welcoming, and the cricket from the England point of view has been fantastic.
I think it was Wood's spell, yes it was, but I mean, we've had a absolutely fantastic time here in Multan. It's been really lovely to come to your beautiful ground, and indeed this ground here as well. It was very tense, very exciting, and it was a very, very close match. It was wonderful. We were very, very pleased to enjoy a close contest.
Pakistan हार गई है, but क्योंकि इंग्लैंड बहुत टाइम बाद आई है और इंग्लैंड ने बहुत अच्छी क्रिकेट खेली है, पाकिस्तान ने भी अच्छी क्रिकेट खेली है। ऐसा नहीं है कि पाकिस्तान अच्छी क्रिकेट नहीं खेली, पाकिस्तान अच्छी क्रिकेट खेली है, बट ये क्रिकेट है, एक टीम जीतती है, एक हारती है।
जो मेहनत करता है जीतता तो वही है। माशाल्लाह पाकिस्तान ने भी अच्छी फाइट की है, बहुत क्लोज जाके पाकिस्तान मैच आ रहा है। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट टाइम पाकिस्तान जीतेगा।
दिल टूट गया, हालांकि पाकिस्तान जीता पड़ा था, ऐसी सिचुएशन नहीं थी कि हार जाए, लेकिन क्रिकेट है, इसमें कुछ भी हो सकता है, कुछ कह नहीं सकते। अपनी जान लगानी चाहिए आखिर तक। मुझे लगता है कि काफ़ी सारी मिस्टेक्स हुई जिसकी वजह से हम मैच हार गए।
पाकिस्तान कल मैच हारी, उसका तो दुख हुआ है, लेकिन पाकिस्तान ने जब दोबारा इंग्लैंड की टीम आई 17 साल बाद, इससे खुशी हुई है और बाकी अच्छा लगे, मैच एंजॉय किया।
I found the people to be very friendly and I enjoyed the cricket because England won, of course.
स्पेशली मुल्तान में 16 साल बाद इंग्लैंड की टीम आई है और माशाल्लाह बहुत ही दिलचस्प मुकाबले हुए हैं। एट द एंड हम मैच को हार गए हैं, लेकिन क्रिकेट की बहाली पे, उनके फैंस पे क्रिकेट को बहुत ज़्यादा फ़रोग मिला है।
पाकिस्तान मैच हार गया, बहुत शर्म की बात है, शर्म का मुकाम है, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान को होम मैचेस अगर नहीं जीत सकते तो फिर कौन से मैचेस जीतेंगे। बाहर जाके तो वैसे ही फ्लॉप हो जाते हैं।